Tell me about yourself.
I'm someone who gets uncomfortable when I use technology without understanding how it works. Most of the projects I've built started with me being annoyed by a problem and deciding to fix it myself. I enjoy learning fast, simplifying complex things, and shipping work people actually use. What excites me most isn't the technology itself, it's creating leverage, where a few hours of work can save thousands of hours for others.
Why do you want to work here?
I look for problems worth years of focus, and this is one of those places. I care about problems and impact. Here, small improvements compound into real outcomes at scale. I'm not trying to collect companies on a resume. I want to build things that still matter without my name attached to them.
What is your biggest strength?
I learn unusually fast when I'm curious. If I encounter something I don't know, I don't see it as a gap. I see it as a temporary state. I've repeatedly gone from beginner to productive in new technologies because I focus on first principles instead of memorization.
What is your biggest weakness?
Early on, I spent too much time polishing things that were already good enough. Over time, I've learned that perfect code that never ships creates less value than good code that solves a real problem today.
Why should we hire you?
Because I'll create value before I create comfort. If I join, my goal isn't to look busy, it's to make measurable improvements. I don't need every instruction mapped out. Give me a goal, context, and access to learn, and I'll find a path forward.
Describe a failure.
I once spent weeks building something before validating whether people actually wanted it. Technically, it worked. Practically, it failed. That experience taught me that solving the wrong problem perfectly is still failure.
What motivates you?
Progress. Not praise, not titles. Seeing something go from impossible to difficult to solved is incredibly satisfying. That's what keeps me engaged.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Working on problems that are significantly harder than the ones I can solve today. The exact title doesn't matter much. The growth curve does.
How do you handle pressure?
I break uncertainty into smaller pieces. Most pressure comes from ambiguity, not workload. Once I understand the actual problem, the stress usually drops and execution becomes straightforward.
What's something you believe that many people disagree with?
I think people underestimate how much consistency beats intensity. Most impressive outcomes I've seen came from small improvements repeated over a long period of time.
Do you have any questions for us?
Imagine it's 1 year from today, and you're extremely happy you hired me. What did I accomplish?